Ready?
Yeah, ready.
1, 2, 3. Hey, check out this lake. It's just so beautiful and magical almost. What a beautiful day for a swim.
2.9. 2.8.
Yeah, we're rolling. Gonna do an underwater group shot. Get everyone together. Ready?
Yeah, ready.
1, 2, 3. Whoa!
Oh my God. Steve, you should have gloves.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Have you had enough? Or are you thirsty for more? Yeah! Whoa! Patrick! Alright!
Go for a run. You going again? Yeah. I'm not going home. You wait for us, huh?
Yeah, I'll wait for you.
Warmer on this side, but it's going to be warm over here, Patrick, because the wind's blowing this way. Yeah. Are you warm enough? You can get in there too. Bump this back.
Warm up your hands. It's really sweet at the heat.
Stainless steel darkest?
So that... It feels like aluminum though.
Oxidized.
It's so light, right?
It's very light. But aluminum is not
I'm hoping it's silver. Let's get to the bottom of this.
Okay, we start backwards.
Oh yeah. Freeze the charm.
You that's gonna be the last time now,
Huh?
right?
Hey, Patrick.
It's like a moving huddle here.
So what are they doing over here under the bridge? I guess they're doing maintenance.
Yeah.
He's dressed.